Well, we are here at the Extreme Gaming Lounge where BenQ is going to launch not one, not two, but 3 gaming monitors. What are they all about? Well, we're here to find out. The event is about to begin and excitement is abuzz. Let's see what some of our experts think before the product is showcased to us.
This time they have combined all of them in one. They are going with very high refresh rate, so I'm hoping to see some really good monitors for gaming, for gamers, so it's gonna be fun.
I would like to see what kind of features they have implemented to actually prevent any kind of stress on eyes. Especially they are launching the high definition monitors. So they will give a good amount of stress on your eyes if you play games for a long time. So I would like to see that, what kind of features they have given in that particular department to actually counter this thing.
Well, if you're someone who's planning to upgrade your gaming rig, I'd say hold your horses right there. We have Rohit Khurana with us who's going to explain all the features of the monitor.
BenQ has launched its new series of gaming monitors in India, the XLZ series, in which it has launched 3 products. The 27-inch monitor, which is one you see behind me, and there are 2 24-inch monitors as well. They have been priced at 37,500, 32,500 and 30,000 rupees respectively. These monitors come with very interesting display technologies which are specially customized for gamers. You have the low blue light technology which protects your eyes from damage. You have the low blur technology in which it reduces the motion blur so that you can do the gaming much better. There is also one very new technology they have used is the black equalizer. This makes the dark scenes of the game get brighter without affecting the rest of the screen. So if you have some dark corners while the gameplay, the dark corners will get lit, but the other parts of the screen will not be affected. This is a very good technology. Apart from that, these monitors are 3D ready. You can buy separate 3D kits which includes a transmitter which is to be attached with the gaming rig or the PC that you use for gaming, and there is active 3D glass which you need to use. Only the top 2 models are 3D capable and they can produce some very cool 3D gaming effects for you. The build of these monitors are very nice and the design is also very good. The height adjust swivel features of these monitors make it very easy to use for gamers, and also it comes with gaming mode download feature in which you can download modes for gaming. It also comes with a hardware accessory in which you can change the gaming mode on the monitor on the fly. This small controller switch allows you to switch between the gaming modes on the fly just using a small button. There is 1, 2, 3 button and there is a scroller. Apart from that, there are touch buttons on the display which makes it very easy to operate them. The low blue light technology is also very good for eyes. So all in all, these monitors are very good value for gamers. Although they may seem slightly steeply priced, but the kind of features and technology they offer, they are top notch when it comes to gaming technology.